Hey friends, if you wish to fix Wlanapi not found or missing error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So search for Microsoft C++ redistributable in the browser search bar. Go to the Microsoft C++ redistributable page. For the x86 version, we have this 32-bit option, and for the x64 version, we have the 64-bit option. Click on it and then select open and let it install on your system. You can click on repair to repair it if it's already installed, else you can install this. If this doesn't help, the other solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.